Everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 9 to power x subtract 2. This is equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Now, before we dive into providing a solution, if it is your first time to come across my videos, kindly like and subscribe to this video. Thank you. So, solution to this problem. Solution. We have 9 to power x subtract 2. This is equal to 36. All right, so 9 to power x subtract 2, this is actually in the form of a raised to power n subtract m, which you can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. Okay, so applying this indices identity, 9 to power x subtract 2 becomes 9 to power x divided by 9 to power 2. 9 to power x divided by 9 to power 2, this is equal to 36. Okay, so that 6 is a whole number, so this is over 1. We cross multiply, okay, so that we'll have 9 to power x. This is equal to 9 to power 2 multiplied by 36. Okay, now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as follows. We'll have log 9 to power x. This is equal to log 9 to power 2 multiplied by 36. Now, log 9 to power x, actually this is in the form of log 8 to power n, which you can express as n log a. Okay, so applying this power rule property, log 9 to power x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 9 to power 2 multiplied by 36. So you divide both sides by log 9 divided by log 9. Okay, so that we simplify here, so that x is equal to log 9 to power 2 multiplied by 36 divided by log 9. Okay, we have x is equal to log 9 to power 2 multiplied by 36 divided by log 9. Okay, so from what we have here, we can express 36 as 9 multiplied by 4. Okay, of which you can express 9. Also, 9 can be expressed as 3 to power 2 multiplied by 4, and 4 can be expressed as 2 to power 2. Okay, so let's substitute this, so that x is equal to log 3 to power 2 multiplied by, okay, this is 9, 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2, okay, multiplied by 36, which is 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2, and then divided by log 3 to power 2. Okay, so from here we'll have log, now this is 3 to power, this is 2 times 2. Okay, so we'll have 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2, all of this divided by log 3 to power 2. Okay, so log 3 to power 4 multiplied by 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2, actually this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which is expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so applying this identity, we'll have x is equal to log 3 to power 4 divided by log 3 to power 2 plus log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 to power 2, okay, plus log 3 to power 2, that is log 2 to power 2, sorry, divided by log 3 to power 2. Now that means log 3 to power 4, applying the power rule property of logarithm, log 3 to power 4 becomes 4 log 3 divided by log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 plus log 3 to power 2, which is 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 3 plus, now we have log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. So let's simplify this. So we simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 2. Log 3 simplifies so that x is equal to 2 plus log 3 simplifies and 2 simplify, so plus 1 plus, now 2 and 2 simplifies, so we'll have log 2 divided by log 3. Okay, so x is equal to 2 plus 1, this is 3, plus, now log 2 divided by log 3, actually this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which can be expressed as log a to base b. So let's apply this identity so that now we will have log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x. This is a value of x. This is our value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. So let's verify that x, which is 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Okay, now if you recall, we end at 9 to power x subtract 2. This is equal to 36. So let's prove if this is correct. Now 9 to power x subtract 2, this can also be expressed as 9 to power x divided by 9 to power 2. Okay, this is equal to 36. So let's substitute the value of x so that we'll have 9 to power 3 plus log 2 to power 3 divided by 9 to power 2, which is 81. Okay, 9 to power 2, this is the same as 9 times 9, which is 81. So divide by 81, this is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, now from what we have here, 9 to power 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So applying this indices identity, we're going to have 9 to power 3 multiplied by 9 to power log 2 to base 3 divided by 81. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, so 9 to power 3, this is the same thing as 9 times 9 times 9, and this is equal to, this is 729. Okay, 729. Now, from what we have here, you find that this is 729 multiplied by 9 raised to power log 2 to base 3 divided by 81. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. Now, 9 raised to power log 2 to power 3, this can also be expressed, that is 9 to power log 2 to base 3. This can also be expressed as, 9 can be expressed as 3 to power 2, okay? Then we'll have log 2 to base 3, okay? Which can also be expressed as 3 to power log, this is the power, we'll have 2 to power 2 to base 3. We have 729 multiplied by 9 to power log 2 to base 3 is equal to 36 divided by 81. Now, 9 to power log 2 to base 3, this can also be expressed as, now 9 can be expressed as 3 to power 2, okay? Then log 2 to base 3, that is log 2 to base 3, okay? Which you can also express as 3 to power log 2, this is actually the power, so it's 2 to power 2 base 3, okay? So now we have 729 multiplied by 3 to power log 2 to base 2 to base 3, 2 to power 2 divided by 81. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay. Now from what we have here, that is 3 to power log 2 to power 2 to base 3. This is actually in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So applying this logarithm identity, that means that 3 log 2 to power 2 to base 3, this is actually supposed to give us 2 to power 2. Okay? So substituting this 2 to power 2, which is essentially equal to 4, substituting 4 back to the equation, we'll have 729 multiplied by 4 divided by 81. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. We are still, let's check. So if you simplify here, you'll have 81, 729 divided by 81, this is 9, okay? So you have 9 times 4, which is equal to 36. And on the right-hand side, we have 36. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that affirms that the value of x, which is actually 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, and if it is your first time to come across my videos, kindly hit that subscription button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.